Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to change your password on Citibank. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go and open up the official Citibank website. So you want to go to citi.com. If you're not already, open up the main URL. If you're on your mobile phone, just go ahead and download the Citibank application and open it up. So once you have opened it up, now we can get started. You're going to go and be greeted by the home page from where we can get started logging in. So now guys, we have two solutions. Either you already know your password of your account but you just want to change it. In that case, it's going to be easier, and what you want to do is just log into your account first. So go ahead and log in normally to your Citibank account, and once you have done so, you'll be greeted by the home page, and the home page is going to be your dashboard, where in the upper right corner is going to appear an option to open up your profile. So you want to go ahead and click on your name in the upper right corner. This is going to enable you, after logging in, to open up your account settings. From your account settings, you can open up the security settings. Your security settings are going to enable you to change your password. In the security settings, you're going to go and be able to have the option to change your password to whatever you want. So just enter in your old password and choose what new one you want to use, and that's it. But if you do not know your password and you want to reset it and activate your account again, you're going to go ahead and be greeted by this home page right here to log in. And what we're going to do is click to forgot password. By clicking forgot password, is going to enable us to enter in our info. You want to enter in your bank or credit card customers and so on. Choose whatever option you prefer, what you are and how you want to change your password after verifying your identity. So just click continue and follow the steps to go ahead and get your account back and choosing a new password, but you must be the owner of the account. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.